Pistachio spread is a delicious alternative to classic sweet creams, which enhances the intense and aromatic flavor of pistachios. This specialty, typical of the Sicilian confectionery tradition, is perfect for those who wish to enjoy a genuine cream that's different from the usual. Preparing it at home allows you to control the quality of the ingredients and create a product free of preservatives, ideal for accompanying slices of bread, filling crêpes, or enriching cakes and desserts with a touch of refinement and originality. Ingredients: 150 grams of shelled and unsalted pistachios, 100 grams of granulated sugar, 100 milliliters of whole milk, 50 grams of butter, 100 grams of white chocolate, 1 sachet of vanillin. Optional, a pinch of salt. Preparation. First, immerse the pistachios in boiling water for about 3 minutes to facilitate the removal of the skin that covers them. You will need to drain them and then transfer them to a clean towel, gently rubbing them to remove the outer peel. Dry the peeled pistachios well with kitchen paper, or by leaving them in the air for a few minutes, ensuring that there are no traces of moisture that could compromise the final consistency of the cream. Transfer the dry pistachios to a mixer or a powerful blender, grinding them until you obtain a floury consistency. Continue blending until the pistachios begin to release their natural oils, forming a smooth and homogeneous paste. In a saucepan, pour the whole milk and add the granulated sugar. If you wish, also add a sachet of vanillin to further flavor the cream. Heat everything over medium heat, stirring until the sugar has completely dissolved without bringing the milk to a boil. Add the pistachio paste to the warm milk, stirring vigorously with a whisk or wooden spoon until you obtain a homogeneous mixture without lumps. Add a pinch of salt to enhance the pistachio flavor. Cut the white chocolate into small pieces to facilitate melting. Add it to the milk and pistachio mixture, continuing to stir until the chocolate has completely melted and incorporated into the cream. Add the room temperature butter cut into cubes and stir until it is completely melted and blended with the rest of the ingredients, giving the cream a more velvety consistency. Continue cooking over low heat for about 5 minutes, stirring continuously to prevent the cream from sticking to the bottom of the saucepan. The cream should thicken slightly, reaching a creamy but not too dense consistency, as it will firm up further as it cools. Remove the saucepan from the heat and let the cream cool for a few minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent a skin from forming on the surface. Pour the warm cream into sterilized glass jars with airtight closure, leaving about 1 centimeter from the edge. Close the jars well and let them cool completely at room temperature before storing them in the refrigerator. Store the pistachio spread in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Before using it, bring it to room temperature for a few minutes to make it softer and easier to spread. Use the cream to enrich slices of toasted bread, croissants, pancakes, or to fill cakes and cookies, enhancing every preparation with its unique and aromatic flavor. Curiosities. If you prefer a more rustic texture, avoid completely blending the pistachios, leaving some pieces for a more grainy texture. Additionally, you can flavor the cream by adding a touch of cinnamon or grated lemon zest during cooking to personalize it according to your tastes.